I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone! Welcome na naman po sa inyong almost personal reading. Tingnan natin kung ano ang kwento ng inyong buhay ngayong araw na ito. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa inyo itong buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. And I want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So, kung kailan nyo po ito mapanood, this message or this reading is meant to find you. Divine feminine, hookup, and marriage. So, I feel like bigla-bigla ang mga pangyayaring ito. This might be a life-changing situation, no? Para sa inyo. Hindi natin inaasahan, ganito man tayong tao. I have no judgment, no? Whether you are engaging in a one night stand, or this is the first time. I'm not here to judge. I'm here to read the cards, and I feel like kung saan kayo masaya, no? Basta as long as hindi tayo nakakatapak ng tao, gawin natin ang mga bagay-bagay. So, here's the thing. I feel like meron tayong mamimit na isang tao and for some reason, napakalakas ng dating nila sa'yo. Sabihin natin, nagkaroon or magkakaroon tayo ng one night stand, no, dito sa taong ito. And this might change both of your life forever kasi nakakakita tayo dito ng cohabitation, proposal, or marriage, no? So with the Wheel of Fortune, the Seven of Wands, and the Eight of Swords. For some reason, pumili tayo ng isang desisyon dito na parang sabihin natin na wala namang makakaalam, parang feeling mo is napaka tactical, no? Meron kang strategy na iyong ginawa. Pero sabihin natin, maraming beses naman ako naging tama, no? For one time, no? Magkamali man ako, I feel like hindi ito makakalabas. Itong sikretong ito is para sa amin lang, no? With the Seven of Wands is clarified with the Eight of Pentacles and the Nine of Cups. I feel like medyo meron ka rin naman nararamdaman dito sa taong ito, whether this is your crush. For a few numbers of you, lagi mo ito nakikita almost every day. Whether this is kapitbahay, kaklase, katrabaho, with the Eight of Swords, parang halos umiikot ang inyong buhay sa para kayong mga nakakahon, no? Para kayong most of your lives kayo lagi yung nakikita, no? Of course with other people, hindi naman to si Ebat Adan, no? Mahal mo na, wala ka nang magagawa, mahal mo na with the Queen of Cups. Tama, meron kang nararamdaman with the Five of Cups. Kaso parang bakit nanghihinayang ka? Kasi parang hindi mo ba maamin na ikaw yung mag-i-initiate, ikaw dapat, kumbaga, parang nakakahiya naman kung Uy, parang nakakita rin ako dito na parang meron sa inyo nangyari and both of you did it or probably were under the influence of the spirit, no? Mga nakainom kayo, the five cups. Ngayon parang gusto mong itanong, naalala mo ba yung nangyari kagabi? Um, or may naaalala ka ba na nagawa natin na parang hindi dapat natin ginawa? Nakakahiya kasi parang sinasabi mo dito na sa akin pa talaga manggagaling yon, no? With the Knight of Wands and the Empress, I feel like in some ways, no, wag na tayong magpaka-plastic dito. May nararamdaman tayo sa person and then kumbaga, whether inakit natin, hindi natin sinadyang naakit siya sa atin, one thing's for sure, naghahanda tayo every time na makikita natin siya. So, probably we're well-dressed, nakaayos talaga tayo, nakapostura, lagi tayong mabango, no? Parang we are not that usual, pero ipinapakita natin sa kanya, sabi nga nila, no? Dressing well is a sign of respect, 'di ba? Especially if you dress well to meet to meet a person. Parang binigyan kita ng effort, energy, no? Parang ibinigay ko yung aking attention just to be presentable with you and I respect you. That's actually true. So parang you value this person and you feel like, oo nga naman. Parang ako minsan, 'di ba? Oh, minsan lang ako magganito, no? Pero usually I dress formal because I respect you guys. Ayan. With the Empress in here, you're probably changing something to yourself, lalo na kapag kaharap mo siya. With the Temperance, the Page of Pentacles, and the Knight of Swords. Parang ang nakikita natin dito, Temperance, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Swords. Medyo ano tayo ha? Medyo nagmamasid-masid rin tayo dito sa person na ito. Nagmamasid-masid in a way na probably we're checking this person's social media accounts or baka na-meet natin ito sa social media and then we actually browse this person's information or old pictures, para at least meron tayong information from the person. Ang bilis ng mga pangyayari with this thread card and the four of wands. So, ito na nga. Parating kayo agad sa isang pagsasama. Wala naman ako nakikita ditong, well, Queen of Cups. It may also represent pregnancy, no? Pero I feel like chances are it can also be that both of you got excited with the moments that you shared and you want to be with the person always, no? With the Queen of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Page of Cups. So marami kayong um, parang compatibility. Parang napapansin mo rin na si person is talagang seryoso naman sa'yo kahit medyo nabibigla-bigla ka kasi bakit ganito kabilis nangyayari yung sitwasyon na ito? Bakit nagkakaroon kami agad ng mabilisang mga desisyon? We may not be in a hurry, pero itong mga nangyayari sa amin, sinasakyan lang namin yung daloy, yung agos, no, ng buhay. Halos hindi kami nagdedesisyon. The decision is just going to just show up or pop up, and the next thing we know, nandun na kami, no? King of Pentacles, the King and Queen of Pentacles are here and the Ace of Cups. I feel like siguro sabihin natin hindi man natin alam kung ano yung meaning ng love at first sight, no? This may be a love at first sight but not in a very traditional way. Um it can be that lust at first sight. Just kidding. No, pero kasi since both of you already shared intimate moments, parang sinasabi niyo dito ay um parang na-entice, no? Itong aking emotion, bigla akong naramdaman ito. Um, Parang itong nangyari sa inyong intimacy becomes a like parang nag-open ng door for the both of you to explore your emotion and you wanna try it, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information kung gusto ninyong magtanong. Name, number, QR code, amount for questions, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart or lumabas ang zodiac sign ninyo. Pisces, Taurus, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Leo, Cancer is here. Nabanggit ko na yung Taurus. Sagittarius, nabanggit ko na rin. Leo, nabanggit ko na rin. Capricorn is here. Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces is here. So that is your reading. Maraming salamat po.
Predicting future is my purpose.
See you sa susunod na reading.
I am Daphne